daughter of Zion, covered up, but the glow on me like
my influencer lights just went off. What do you call it? This light just went off, but I think I'm going to make use of the direct sunlight. Oopsie. Okay. That's enough. Alright guys, welcome back to a new vlog. How are you doing? This fan has been serving me so well. There's no light, you can tell. Nepa. That's the country we live in. Guys, yeah. So the weather has been super hot. I've been drinking water a lot this period, which I'm actually thankful for because it's good to stay hydrated. It's been really hot and yeah. How you guys doing? Welcome back to a new vlog. My name is Valerie, or you can call me Kaka if you're just seeing this face for the first time, this beautiful face for the first time. Please do not make it your last time here, okay? Do also subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and share. And yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for coming back. How are you doing? Hope you are good. Yeah, have you eaten today? Have you drank some water? Are you staying hydrated? Have you done your skincare? Have you taken a shower? Have you how are you doing at home? Me, I shall look scruffy, but one thing I'll not miss is my skincare routine, okay? Because it helps me a lot. My hair is pretty rough. I've had this hair for over 2 weeks. I'm a preacher against carrying your hair for more than 2 weeks, but this one has really served me. Like, the person that made this hair really tried, because what I noticed in the past is when I change a hairdresser, my hair will not last. To start to like itch me, I'll start having hair bumps, scalp bumps, and all of that. Is it bumps? Or what am I saying? Bumps, scalp bumps, and small tiny wounds around my scalp. And nah, but this time I've been able to, I don't know what I'm doing differently. Maybe because this person's hands are better, right? So yeah, that's it. This one has even tried for my hair to stay up till now without having any kind of sore or wound. Then that means your hands are good. Yeah, so I've just been on my laptop also responding to emails, planning content, just planning things around the month and beyond. So I have done everything I'm supposed to do this morning. I have prayed, I have tidied up. There are certain things I can't skip when I wake up. No matter when I wake up, early, late, whatever, I must do those things. They help put my day in check. They help me enjoy my day. Let me just put it that way. Not like I'm doing anything fun or anything extra, but like they just help me keep my day in check, if that makes sense. I know what to do. I'm happy doing what I'm doing. Like, I don't feel overwhelmed. So once I do all these things, I wake up, even if I wake up late or I don't pray when I'm supposed to, I still find my time to pray. I must pray. Even if I've done everything I'm supposed to do in the morning, I cannot skip it. I have to try and pray. Like, it's something I'm really working on, something I'm building. I really want to be consistent with it. Like, when I wake up, even if it's after my time to wake up, I must pray. Like, I don't know how to put it, but like, I don't just want to skip it. Someone said something one time, I don't know where I stumbled on that video, or was it right up? It's like building a relationship with your partner, or building a relationship with a significant other, or your mom, or whatever, whoever, father, brother, friend, colleague, whatever, or even your business. You are building something. So it's the same thing with God. So like, create that relationship with him. Talk to him every day. Talk to him as someone that you don't want to lose contact with. So that is what I'm really building on. That's what I am doing, and I'm really thankful that I've been able to, do that. So yeah, thank you so much for your engagement so far in my previous video and previous videos. Thank you very much. If you're a new subscriber, please watch other videos. Thank you for tuning in. This is a very happy, chilled, small, cute community. Yeah, you're welcome. You are very much welcome. I don't really have any specific thing to put in this vlog, but I was thinking the order I placed from a skincare brand would come this morning, but they haven't said anything. I've not gotten a call. I'm just gonna check now if they sent any email concerning my order. I also ordered some things from Temu. Is it Temu or Temu? I ordered some things from Temu, and I also need to check when that will be arriving, or if it has even arrived Nigeria. So yeah, how you guys doing? What exactly is happening? How is Nigeria? How is your side? If you're watching from outside Nigeria, say hi. If you're watching from Nigeria, also say hi in the comment section. Like, what's been going on? What's really happening? Yeah. And the other day I went to Orca. Yeah, and it's a distance going there. But I needed to be there, and I'm really happy with the things I bought. I was able to show some, but yeah, I tried. I tried to show what I was able to show. There's this very cute dustbin I got. See guys, it's really small but it's cute. It's written here dustbin. It's really cute. Like, if you want something to just be on your table, your workstation, or even on the floor in your bathroom or somewhere around your room, like just a corner bin, you just push to start and you have it. Like, this is really cute. I think this comes in handy. It really makes a lot of sense. Like, it really makes a lot of sense. I really like it. So if you're throwing things, you're not throwing things that are going to perish, like food stuff, because it's not that kind of thing you put like a dustbin nylon. You can actually, but remember that it's going to close like this, right? But if you put anything here, you're throwing things like paper, random death, biscuits, paper, all those things that you can easily bring out without feeling too messy and yucky, yeah. And you can also wash it. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense. So yeah, that's it. I also got this cute mirror. This mirror is so good. It's so handy. I also got this from Orca. So pretty. They have different colors. Tell me why I did not buy it in pink. Did I even see pink? I don't know. I can't remember. Then this set of cup. This one of them. I think it's a set of 4, and then a jug. I got this from Orca too, and also this basket. They really have pretty things. They really have like really good items there. So you're not just shopping rubbish. You know, some stores you go into and then you're just like, oh my god, they have things, but at the same time they don't have things. But Orca, they have really nice things. I even heard that they were even well stocked up like last year December when they opened, right? So yeah, that's it. I need to get some things. I need to restock on some items at home. I also need to go to the bank. Can I do this today? I don't know, Sha. Let me see how it goes. I would I don't know. I feel energized now that I've prayed. I feel energized, and I kid you not, I have eaten. I ate before I did all these things. I woke up hungry, so I had jollof rice, leftover jollof rice, and chicken from yesterday. Let me respond to this email. Yeah. Let me see. Even 1 minute. So there's this thing where you can polish your sentences or your words. Yeah, I use it sometimes if I'm not using ChatGPT. But the best way to use ChatGPT, right? Someone used to ask me then, oh, how do I know how to come up with words, sentences that sound really professional when I'm sending emails or replying messages or filling forms or something, or surveys? or just coming up with things, right? Being about using AI is, if you know what you want to type, if you know the prompt you want to give your AI, ChatGPT, whatever, right? ChatGPT would connect in that language or speak the language that the AI understands from you, or how you speak or how you communicate. So if you're typing jargons, AI will give you jargons. For me, I already know how I want to respond to somebody. You know, there's how you say some things. If I'm talking to you one-on-one, from my expression, my tone, you know that I'm not rude. You know that I'm polite. I'm being polite, right? You will see it as being professional. But there's something about message. There's something about emails. If your tone is not, what's the word now? If your tone is not accommodating, if your tone is not chilled, there's how the person receiving it would read it, and to be like you're shouting or you're not being polite. So I talk in a very polite way to ChatGPT, in a layman's way, the simplest English possible, and I put it there in the prompt. In fact, I talk to ChatGPT the way I'll talk to someone who I need answers from. Hi GPT. GPT is telling me, hi Valerie. And then I'm dropping my message, and then GPT is replying me. Like, I can type a long paragraph of what I want to say, respond to an email, and then tell ChatGPT, make this sound professional. Let it sound like it's coming from a human being. When ChatGPT works on the prompt for you, read it through and see if it's making sense. Read it through and see if it's something that, if you send to somebody, or if they send it to you, to sound like it's coming from someone who has sense. Can you see this? You see polish, formalize. But if you use Gmail, you know what I'm talking about. There's this icon that looks like a wand with a star, like it's gonna do magic. So it has the polish, elaborate, formalize, or finalize or something. Yeah, formalize, elaborate, shorten, polish, help me write, help me refine. So yeah, you can always use that if you're not sure of the words to use. And please, when you're using all these AI things, always remember to cut out the part where AI is telling you what AI has done, what it has done. Don't forget to remove that part. For example, to tell you, I have done this for you, let me know if you want me to continue. Delete that part. Always remember to delete it. Okay. And then sometimes, even when your AI gives you the prompt back and it does not sound like a human being, you can still readjust it. Okay. Yeah, always know what to write. Basically, always know what to write, or always know what to tell AI before you just give AI anything. Like, have an idea of what you want. Yeah, if that makes sense. So yeah.
Like a daughter of Zion, covered up, but the glow on me loud, ain't no denying. Not vain, but I walk with a holy alignment. Beauty and obedience, no world can define it. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Bring it on, looking right. Want to see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, who you like. Good but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride. Not a show, it's the fruit of the spirit inside me. Every step, every thought he refined me. Cover heart, cover body, cover mind.
Hi guys, we are back home, and let us do a quick what do you call it, haul of the things I got from the supermarket. So yeah, we have tissue. Is this live? Okay, we have tissue. I got this very, oh, they packed my stuff inside. I was wondering, hey, how come everything entered? So I got this penne rigate. Is it rigate or rigate, whatever, pasta. Usually I'll buy the other one, but I figured out that this one is cheaper than that one, and this one tastes good, but the other one too tastes very good. I'll try and put a picture here if I still have it. But yeah, this is by Lamis pasta de semola, sorry. Then we have cornflakes, Nasco. Fun fact, guys, you see, Nasco, I hated Nasco so much growing up. Like, I haven't eaten Nasco since I was maybe 5 years old. So if I was eating Nasco that time, or cereal that time, at that age, then that's the last time I ever ate Nasco till so recently. So like last 2 weeks. You see, Nasco, I never ever liked Nasco for anything, but I think they improved on Nasco. That's how bad I didn't like Nasco. If you put Nasco inside milk, in less than 1 second, before you turn, to just soak. That's the memory I have about Nasco. But when I tried Nasco recently, I was shocked. This is super good. I think this is the original, right? Yeah, you have different flavors, but I like this one. And yeah, I got biscuits. This ginger nut, so nice. Oh, I even got, oh, nice, Mars. Cadbury hot chocolate. I got this sweet just to be, you know, munching. Not munching, just licking. Oh yeah, green peppers. I want to make a pasta, not like jollof, but I'm going to use tomato, green pepper, like those green things. I'm putting detergents inside this bucket. Yeah, let us see what we have and what we don't have. Okay, we have one giant pack, so I just topped it up with this one. I'll pour everything inside this this is a jar, or I don't know what to call it. Then we have Harpic or Hypo toilet cleaner. We have Raid. Is it like the other one we bought? Oh, that one I bought does not have the cover. It's just the, I saw it too. I didn't want to buy that one. Antiseptic. Then room freshener. Yeah, kitchen towel. I call it kitchen towel, sure. I like using this in the kitchen. And mouthwash. This is non-alcoholic, 0 alcohol. What else? Yeah, sunshine air freshener block. Why did I put this in here? So I'm doing adverts. Clean, sign me up. Then wind naphthalene balls to put in the wardrobe, and you know, all those corners. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I look, God, I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. But yeah, let's go make dinner, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, if you got to this point, you are an OG. One love. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, drop your comments, and stay around, watch other videos. Fingers crossed, we have more videos coming up. I don't even know what to do on this channel anymore, but like, I'm just doing my best because I just love vlogging. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Remain fabulous and stay blessed. Bye.